So many people have been wondering, what is this point where the market is going to stop bleeding? Where is Shiba Inu going to plant its feet in the ground and turn around, start to gain a little bit back? And yesterday we started to see a little bit of that. We finally got a little ground under our feet because there was a big announcement for Shib, big announcement for crypto as a whole. And it's something that I think people need to know about. So what we saw yesterday was that the announcement that the SEC is officially dropping its investigation into Ethereum. Now, for those that aren't familiar, this all started right before they got into these approval of Ethereum spot ETFs. They started looking deep into Ethereum, seeing obviously if they're conducting unregistered securities transactions. And we all know that this wasn't actually the case, right? But the scope of the SEC has obviously put some undue pressure on the industry. It's created some uncertainty, and frankly, it may be some of the reason why we haven't been seeing inflows yet, right? We got an early spike early on this cycle, but it's just kind of been blah since then. But this announcement yesterday from Ethereum said, today we are happy to announce a major win for Ethereum developers, technology providers, and industry participants. The enforcement division of the SEC has notified us that it will be closing its investigation into Ethereum 2.0. This means that the SEC will not bring charges alleging the sales of ETH are securities transactions. Now, this is big for the crypto industry. You guys can see almost every coin in green. All right. Nice bounce, looking good. Shiba Inu had this huge DCA plus on this big flash down yesterday, but as soon as this news hit, I mean, everything started gaining a little ground back. Ethereum up 1.7%, back up above $3,500. Shiba Inu back up above 4018. Things are actually looking fairly decent right now. And this is why it's important to have some fresh powder on the sidelines for when these times do in fact happen. Guys, I bought so much crypto over the last few days here. There have been so many opportunities throughout the space. And maybe this is that moment where we start to gain a little bit of confidence back in the market again, where we can start to rally and build back into the next leg of the charts. So what we're seeing for Shiba Inu right now, guys, it's actually really just a huge bull flag. All right. It's a really long one. It's a very big one, but that's what it looks like we're still kind of playing out into here. And it's all just been about picking up some of these lower positions that they've flashed. I've seen some people saying, oh yeah, I still think we're going down to 401 or adding a zero. It really doesn't look like it. It really does not look like it's going to happen. A lot of these slides in the market have obviously happened and affected altcoins at a lot bigger rate than BTC. BTC, frankly, has not dropped that much. But the big reason why is because stability. It's been around for a long period of time. You have institutional money that's bought in big ways. I know this week has been pretty much outflow days for the most part. I didn't get to look at yesterday's numbers yet, but people need to understand that there is more capital holding up BTC right now. There's more capital holding up Ethereum. Alts like Shiba Inu, they're going to get affected by this news a lot more. All right. Now, I think that we got very much oversold. You guys can see that Shiba Inu did, in fact, reach the oversold range on the RSI. And it was basically, we dumped on a big nothing burger. And that's when you get opportunity, right? Unless there's something fundamentally that's changed, or if there's some negative press about Shib, or they found something in the code or something like that, that would be the point where you'd normally see a drop like this. These drops have been on nothing, and that presents opportunity. So just wanted to share that with everyone. This is very exciting. Again, if you guys want to check out my indicator, links in the description below. If you guys want to check out, what I've been buying, what I'm holding, what I'm paying attention to right now in the market, my Patreon is in the link in the description below as well. But appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Hopefully we can stack another green day together here. But yeah, that's have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.